all, welcome to my channel Education, Art and Craft. Today I am going to tell you a speech about father. Before beginning with the video, if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss my new video updates. Let's begin. Father. A father is someone you look up to no matter how tall you grow. Hello everyone. Today I am here to share a few heartfelt words about one of the most important person in my life, my father. For me, my dad is like a superhero. No, he doesn't wear a cape, but he's always there. Whether it's fixing a broken pan or fixing my broken heart. His silent strength makes me feel safe every single day. My dad has taught me lessons that no textbook ever could. How to stay honest, work hard, and never give up. I remember once I failed a test and felt miserable. He didn't scold me. Instead, he said, "Success doesn't come from fear of failure, but from courage to try again." That one sentence changed how I look at life. He never says much, but his actions speak louder than 1,000 words. From staying awake when I was sick to smiling through his tiredness at the end of the day. His love has always been my biggest strength. So today, on Father's Day, I just want to say, thank you, Dad. Thank you for being my guide, my shield, and my quiet cheerleader. You have shaped who I am with your strength, your love, and your belief in me. To all the fathers out there, you are more than providers. You are protectors, mentors, and silent warriors. Your presence makes this world a better place. And to everyone listening, if you are lucky enough to have your dad around, give him a hug today. Say thank you. Because sometimes even superheroes need to hear how special they are. Happy Father's Day! If you liked this speech, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below something special about your dad. Happy Father's Day to all the amazing dads out there.